Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check develop an app with Gemini. So let's start. As you can see here, I am in Fire Studio on Gemini, and you can see here that we can develop an app with Gemini. So we have here the name of workspace. Here you write it, so I will write test, and we have the environment, and we can go to web app, JavaScript web app, JavaScript web app, Genki, Phaeton notebook. So we can do it, and we have he created. So you only click there. We have to wait a little bit until this is created by Gemini, and we have to wait a little bit until this is ready to use it. Okay, so as you can see here, it says annihilation environment, building environment, and when it is created, you can start develop the app that you prefer on Gemini. So it's a little bit take a little bit time, but after it takes time and you start creating, well, as you can see, that is a little bit easy. So let's wait a little bit until this is ready. So when our workspace loads open, you have to open the mains or main py file, updated the APK. As you can see, we have the command and barrel with your Gemini APK for Google A Studio, so you can start doing it. And then when you do it, you have to test the base app in the web preview panel to watch the Gemini API in action and modify your new Gemini API app accordingly. So we have to check carefully everything of this. You can see here the commands, and we can see the executing test for creating. So it's carefully to check everything, and I'm sure after doing it, you can test base app on the web preview and create it. So that is how it works. I hope this video helps you so much. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.